Hello friends, Namaste. How are you all? Jai Sri Ram to everyone. Welcome back to GCR Spoken English YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about 100 daily using Telugu and English sentences like go to home, don't go to home, go to Hyderabad, don't go to Hyderabad, and many more similar sentences that we use in our everyday life. Okay, are you all ready? Shall we start the video? Okay then, without any delay, let's start the video. Let's get started. Hospital ki wo. Go to the hospital. Hospital ki wo ku. Don't go to the hospital. Hostel ki wo. Go to the hostel. Hostel ki wo ku. Don't go to the hostel. Hotel ki wo. Go to the hotel. Hotel ki wo ku. Don't go to the hotel. Gudi ki wo. Go to the temple. Gudi ki wo ku. Don't go to the temple. Badi ki wo. Go to the school. Badi ki wo ku. Don't go to the school. College ki wo. Go to the college. College ki wo ku. Don't go to the college. Lab ki wo. Go to the lab. Lab ki wo ku. Don't go to the lab. Library ki wo. Go to the library. Library ki wo ku. Don't go to the library. Post office ki wo. Go to the post office. Post office ki wo ku. Don't go to the post office. Police station ki wo. Go to the police station. Police station ki wo ku. Don't go to the police station. Railway station ki wo. Go to the railway station. Railway station ki wo ku. Don't go to the railway station. Office ki wo. Go to the office. Office ki wo ku. Don't go to the office. Bank ki wo. Go to the bank. Bank ki wo ku. Don't go to the bank. Bus stand ki wo. Go to the bus stand. Bus stand ki wo ku. Don't go to the bus stand. Bakery ki wo. Go to the bakery. Bakery ki wo ku. Don't go to the bakery. Bookstall ki wo. Go to the bookstall. Bookstall ki wo ku. Don't go to the bookstall. Theater ki wo. Go to the theater. Theater ki wo ku. Don't go to the theater. Market ki wo. Go to the market. Market ki wo ku. Don't go to the market. Supermarket ki wo. Go to the supermarket. Supermarket ki wo ku. Don't go to the supermarket. Shopping mall ki wo. Go to the shopping mall. Shopping mall ki wo ku. Don't go to the shopping mall. Airport ki wo. Go to the airport. Airport ki wo ku. Don't go to the airport. Restaurant ki wo. Go to the restaurant. Restaurant ki wo ku. Don't go to the restaurant. ఇంటికి wo. Go to the home. ఇంటికి wo ku. Don't go to the home. చందు వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి wo. Go to the Chandu's house. చందు వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి wo ku. Don't go to the Chandu's house. శ్యామల వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి wo. Go to the Shyamala's home. శ్యామల వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి wo ku. Don't go to the Shyamala's home. పక్కింటి వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి wo. Go to the neighbor's house. పక్కింటి వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి wo ku. Don't go to the neighbor's house. ఇంటెనకకు wo. Go to the backyard. ఇంటెనకకు wo ku. Don't go to the backyard. ఇంటి ముంగటికి wo. Go to the front yard. ఇంటి ముందటికి wo ku. Don't go to the front yard. మెయిన్ డోర్ దగ్గరికి wo. Go to the main door. మెయిన్ డోర్ దగ్గరికి wo ku. Don't go to the main door. టెర్రస్ మీదికి wo. Go to the terrace. టెర్రస్ మీదికి wo ku. Don't go to the terrace. హాల్లకు wo. Go to the hall. హాల్లకి wo ku. Don't go to the hall. డైనింగ్ హాల్లకు wo. Go to the dining hall. డైనింగ్ హాల్లకు wo ku. Don't go to the dining hall. కిచెన్లకు wo. Go to the kitchen. కిచెన్లకు wo ku. Don't go to the kitchen. బాత్రూమ్లకు wo. Go to the bathroom. బాత్రూమ్లకు wo ku. Don't go to the bathroom. బెడ్రూమ్లకు wo. Go to the bedroom. బెడ్రూమ్లకు wo ku. don't go to the bedroom. నీ రూమ్లకు పో, go to your room. నీ రూమ్లకు పోకు, don't go to your room. మీ నాన్న రూమ్లకు పో, go to your father's room. మీ నాన్న రూమ్లకు పోకు, don't go to your father's room. మీ అమ్మ రూమ్లకు పో, go to your mother's room. మీ అమ్మ రూమ్లకు పోకు, don't go to your mother's room. వాష్రూమ్లకు పో, go to the washroom. వాష్రూమ్లకు పోకు, don't go to the washroom. స్టోర్ రూమ్లకు పో, go to the store room. స్టోర్ రూమ్లకు పోకు, don't go to the store room. దేవుని రూమ్లకు పో, దీని పూజ గది అంటాం, go to the పూజా రూమ్. దేవుని రూమ్లకు పోకు, don't go to the పూజా రూమ్. గేట్ దగ్గరికి పో, go to the gate. గేట్ దగ్గరికి పోకు, don't go to the gate. తలుపు దగ్గరికి పో, go to the door. తలుపు దగ్గరికి పోకు, don't go to the door. కిటికీ దగ్గరికి పో, go to the window. కిటికీ దగ్గరికి పోకు, don't go to the window. వాష్ బేసిన్ దగ్గరికి పో, go to the wash basin. వాష్ బేసిన్ దగ్గరికి పోకు, don't go to the wash basin. ఇండియాకి పో, go to India. ఇండియాకి పోకు, don't go to India. ఆస్ట్రేలియాకి పో, go to Australia. ఆస్ట్రేలియాకి పోకు, don't go to Australia. అమెరికాకి పో, go to America. అమెరికాకు పోకు, don't go to America. సింగపూర్కు పో, go to Singapore. సింగపూర్కి పోకు, don't go to Singapore. దుబాయ్కి పో, go to Dubai. దుబాయ్కి పోకు, don't go to Dubai. జపాన్కి పో, go to Japan. జపాన్కి పోకు, don't go to Japan. ఢిల్లీకి పో, go to Delhi. ఢిల్లీకి పోకు, don't go to Delhi. హైదరాబాద్కి పో, go to Hyderabad. హైదరాబాద్కి పోకు, don't go to Hyderabad. కరీంనగర్కి పో, go to కరీంనగర్. కరీంనగర్కి పోకు, don't go to కరీంనగర్. అమీర్పేట్కి పో, go to అమీర్పేట్. అమీర్పేట్కి పోకు, don't go to అమీర్పేట్. Okay friends, whenever we want to say go to some place or don't go to some place, we can express those sentences in English like this. So in this video we have covered every situation that we commonly use in daily life. That's why this video has become a bit lengthy. But for those who really want to learn English, this video will be very useful. I hope you liked this video. If you truly enjoyed it, don't just watch and leave. Please like, comment and share this video so that it reaches more people. And for more such useful and educational videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much to everyone who watched this video. Jai Hind.